Hi, it's me, Caitlin. I come from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail inject. Today, I'm going to show you this one. This is our product. This is a control valve. If you're interested about this one, please follow me. Let's check the details, okay? This is a VCINT roast bags, yeah. On this part, we also had the label on it. You can see this line. This is the Shumatt logo on it. If you want to print with your own logo, you can contact us and we can apply for you the customized services, the logo, the label, the packaging bags, and so on. We can meet your needs. Okay, on this part, it's the product code F00RJ01218. And the application inject model number is 0445120030. And 0445120061 and 0445120100. Okay, that's all the models. On the one side, it is a QR code. You can use the phone to scan it to find more information about our product. So it's time to open it to see the inside. This is the inside part. Actually, we have other types of our packages. We have two types of packages to protect our product, and then I will show you this one. You can pull one side and you will get our product. We package with the oil paper. Dun, 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 dun. And for this one, as you can see, we not only selling the whole part, we also selling the separate parts like the valve cap. First, check the valve cap. There has a coating on this part, right? And also with the curved letters. Yeah, for our valve roll, and we have different ones, different sizes. If you want other sizes, please contact us. Okay, that's all the product details I'm going to show you today. Yes, actually, about the product I want to share with you is if you want the other size, and if you want the other products, you can contact us, okay? Actually, about the warranties I want to share you with you is we have the 6 months warranties. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us and we can exchange the product for you. Except that I have several tips, little tips for you. The first tip is if you want to clean it, it's better to use oil to clean it. The second tips is when you install it, it's better to you make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Yeah, that's all the tips. Actually, we also supply the injector, the nozzle, the repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps, yes, and then including the valve we are showing today. Any answers, if you are interested, please remember to follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. Okay, so much for today's product introductions. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.